Hello everyone, today we are making shrimp fried rice. It's a complete meal with shrimp, eggs, rice and vegetables, and it tastes really good. Everything comes together in one pan with very little prep, so it's easy to make and perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's start with the rice. If you are using freshly cooked rice, cook it with 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water, a simple 1-to-1 ratio. That gives you about 2.5 cups of cooked rice. But if you want to use leftover rice, spread it on a colander and place it in the fridge overnight. It's more beginner friendly. For the shrimp, about 250 grams, peeled and deveined. Season with a little bit salt, sugar, white pepper, and some oil. Mix well and let it sit for a few minutes. With the shrimp seasoned, let's move on to the vegetables. Finely dice the carrot into small cubes. Cut the green beans into small pieces about the same size as a carrot so they cook evenly when we stir-fry them together. Then chop the shallot into small pieces. Slice a green onion into small pieces and separate the white and green parts, because the white parts cook first with the shallots and the green parts go in later. Next, crack 2 eggs and beat them lightly. Now let's make the sauce before cooking. Mix 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. Give it a quick mix to combine everything. Now we are ready to cook. Heat the pan over medium-high heat and add a little bit of oil. Add the shrimp and spread them out in a single layer. Once the bottom starts to cook, give them a quick stir till just cooked. Take them out and set aside. In the same pan, add a little bit more oil, then add the carrots and green beans. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. Add a pinch of salt and keep stirring till they are just cooked. Finally, time to cook the fried rice. Add some more oil and saute the shallots and the white parts of the green onion till fragrant. Once the aroma comes out, add the rice and stir fry to break it up. Pour in the eggs and quickly stir fry to let them side and release their aroma. Once the eggs are side and fragrant, pour in the sauce and quickly stir fry to coat the rice evenly. Then we add the carrots, green beans, and the shrimp back in, seasoned with a pinch of salt and stir fry till everything is well coated and evenly seasoned. Then turn off the heat, add the green parts of the green onion and drizzle in a little sesame oil. Give it a final mix and it's ready to serve. This shrimp fried rice is easy to make and flavorful. It's one of those recipes you actually want to make it again. You can have it on the table pretty quickly, perfect for lunch or dinner. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.